How to renew your registration through an Indiana BMV Connect Kiosk. When you approach a BMV kiosk, it may display a screensaver. Simply touch the display to bring up the welcome screen and click the Get Started button to begin your transaction. Our kiosks have volume controls for those who may be hearing impaired. Once you've selected a volume, you may begin your desired transaction. In this video, we will be renewing a registration. Make sure you have all the required information before starting the transaction. For individual renewal registration, you will need the owner's driver's license number, social security number, and zip code where the vehicles and/or watercraft is registered. This video will specifically cover the process for an individual. You have the option to manually enter your information or simply scan the back of your valid driver's license or ID card. For this example, I will be manually entering a driver's license number, last 4 digits of a social security number, and a valid zip code. Confirm that all information is correct. After confirming your information is correct, the kiosk will show a list of available vehicles and watercraft ready for renewal. Select the check mark to indicate which vehicle and/or watercraft you wish to renew at the time of your transaction. The first registration listed in this example is an off-road vehicle. When selecting to renew for off-road vehicles and watercrafts, you will be asked if you would like to send the registration to an alternate address than the one displayed on screen. This is because the stickers used to update these vehicle types do not get printed at kiosks. The default address listed will be the one the BMV has on file specific to the owner. If you would like to send the registration to a different address than the one shown, select Yes and go through the steps to enter an alternate address. Otherwise, select No to send the registration to the address the BMV has on file for the owner. The next registration on the list is a normal vehicle. When selecting to renew for a normal vehicle, you will be asked if you would like to change the plate type. For example, if you have a covered bridge plate but would like to switch to a different plate, you would select Yes. We will not be covering the process of switching to a different plate in this video. The last registration listed in this example is a watercraft. Remember, stickers for watercraft and off-road vehicles do not print at a kiosk. You will be asked if you would like to send the registration to an alternate address than the one displayed on screen. Select No to send the registration to the address the BMV has on file for the owner. Once everything is confirmed and you select Continue in the bottom right-hand corner, you will be asked if you would like to add a donation to Donate Life. The next screen will show your total amount for the transaction and the available payment type options. Kiosks at branch locations also accept cash. You will not be permitted to split payment methods at a kiosk. Click on the option you would like. In this case, we can only choose credit or debit. Then hit Next. Available forms of payment are American Express, Discover, MasterCard, and Visa. Once the transaction has been processed, you can choose to print your receipt. If you do select Yes, wait for your receipt to print out below. The last step is to let us know how your BMV Connect experience was. We hope it was a quick and easy experience. Thank you for using the BMV Connect Kiosk. Visit in.gov/BMV for additional information on BMV services, fees, plate types, and more.